Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to sell like a digital marketing pro. I'm going to give you my top secret on how you can automate your Instagram DMs so they can do the selling for you even while you are sleeping. And we're going to be using one of the features inside of Go High Level, their social media automation tool. I'm going to also give you some tips that'll help you make money consistently as a digital marketer. I've made over $28,000 in 1 month using this strategy, and I'm going to break it down to you now. So let's jump right into this video. It's to promote on social media. I usually use Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube to post short 6 seconds or less videos. Now the key to this is to have catchy on-screen text. These texts will help people stop the scroll. You can put something like, today I made 1K from my phone. Comment the word 1K and I'll send you over the information. Now this will help you set up your automation. Every time somebody comment on your post 1K, it will automatically send a DM with your link to your product, and I'm going to show you exactly how to set up that automation. Let me quickly show you how to do the on-screen text along with the keyword. So what you're going to do is open up CapCut. I normally use CapCut, and you're going to upload a video. So when you're in design, of course, you know you're going to create your image, and then you're going to turn your image into a video. Then you're going to take that video and you're going to upload it to CapCut. Once you have it uploaded on CapCut, you're going to click on Add Text and you're going to add some on-screen text. Now, I did leave some on-screen text options inside of our school community for you to use. It's right below the digital marketing module. So once you have your text added to your screen, you're just going to adjust them so it can really fit on the screen. So let's break this down a little bit. So that looks good. We're going to slide this to the top and we're going to change the font. So we're going to click on fonts and we're going to choose fonts. Now I usually use the Resolve font. It makes it a little bigger. So we're going to adjust it so it can fit on the screen. And then we're going to go to styles and we are going to do an outline. So that will help the text stand out a little bit. Also, sometimes I like to highlight a certain word. So I'm going to highlight 1K and I'm going to click on the styles again. And I'm going to scroll to find the pink. And as you can see, it has a pink 1K. Now I can leave this at the top or I can put it here. I think we're going to put it here. And the next thing you're going to do is play it just to make sure your text is right. You also want to stretch your text out all the way to almost the end. And then once you do that, you're going to click on text and then you are going to duplicate and you're going to pull it down and you're going to change this to comment 1K. So we're going to change it to comment 1K for info. And we're going to adjust the text and then we're going to highlight the 1K so it can be pink. And we're going to hit the check mark and we're going to adjust it a little bit. Now we're going to move the text so it can only be at the end. So let's do that. Delete that part and it should only be at the end now. Okay, so let's play it. Okay, as you can see, it says comment the word 1K. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually make the this text a little shorter and I'm going to bring this over so 1K can stay on the screen a little bit longer. Let's play it one more time. Okay, awesome. Now you can just add trending audio from Facebook or Instagram, and that will also help the video go viral. So when someone watches this video and they decide to comment the word 1K on your video in the comments, a message will automatically be sent to them with the link to your product. Last and final step is to set up your DM automation system. Now, the goal is to make money while you are sleeping. So by automating your IG and Facebook using the keyword comment feature makes this super easy. So how it works is when someone comments a keyword like 1K on your Facebook or IG video, they'll automatically receive a DM with your product link. This is a simple strategy, and this is my top secret that helped me make thousands of dollars each and every month. So make sure you set up your DM automation, and I'm going to show you step by step on how to do it. Let's go.
Okay, you guys. So to sell in your Instagram DMs, we're going to be using a feature inside of Go High Level. Now, once you sign into your Go High Level account, you're going to switch over to a sub account. Now, once you have your sub account open, you're going to click on marketing. So once you click on marketing, it's going to bring you over here to this screen. And under marketing, there are several different tabs. However, we're going to click the social planner tab. Once you click the social planner tab, you have to connect your social media platforms that you want to use the automatic messaging in. So once again, let me explain to you how it works. So you're going to create a post on Instagram or Facebook, but we're going to go with Instagram, and you're going to tell them to comment a keyword like 1K. When they comment that keyword, the bot will automatically respond to their comment, telling them to check their DMs, and it will automatically send them a DM in their messages with the link to your product. This helps you make money 24/7 without having to manually send anything and without having to manually respond to all the comments that comes in on Instagram or Facebook. And this is my secret strategy. So once you're inside your account, it says keep your social planned in one place. So keep all of your socials in one place, and it tells you to choose at least 2 accounts to connect to. Now, we're going to connect Facebook and Instagram. So you're going to click on either one. So I'm going to click on connect Instagram. Then it's going to bring up a box to give you 2 options: Instagram with Facebook or direct Instagram integration. So it do give you the pros and cons of both. If you decide to go with Instagram with Facebook, then you can access image and video view metrics. They require you to connect a Facebook page, and creator accounts cannot auto post stories. Okay, if you decide to go directly with direct Instagram integration, you cannot access image and video metrics. It doesn't require a Facebook page, and creator accounts can't automatically post in the stories. Okay, so I think I'm going to actually go with number 2. So we're going to go direct Instagram integration, and we're going to select that, and then we are going to connect our Instagram account. Okay, so now that you have your Instagram account connected, you're going to select automation over here on your left hand side, and it's right under marketing. This is going to help us set up our comment automation, where when someone comments on our post, it will automatically respond to that message, and it will also send a DM. So what you're going to do now is click on create workflow, and then we're going to start from a template. So once you click on template, we are going to select the convert lead template. So it's the recipe Instagram comment automation. It's already set up for us, and we're going to click on that template, and it's going to open up the already set up template for us. So all we have to do is click continue, and it's going to add that template here. Okay, now that we have the template open, we can just rename it if we want to something that is easy to remember. So I'm going to just put AI workflow. Now what we have to do is just edit these boxes, and it's super duper easy to edit. It's super duper easy to set up this workflow. So once someone comments the word, my keyword, which is 1K, on my Instagram, it will automatically respond in the DMs with the link to my subscription community, and they can join my subscription community. It will also reply to their comment, and it will also like their comment as well. When I'm ready for this workflow to go live, you can just toggle on publish, and you'll be able to publish that workflow and it will work for you.
Okay, so I hope this video was helpful. Those are the steps to selling as a digital marketer pro, how to automate your Instagram DMs with Go High Levels automation feature. Now, if you have not signed up for your free Go High Level account, click the link below this video and you can get a free 30-day trial. And like always, I can't wait to see you on another video.